What's going on, everybody? Danny Koker here, aka The Count. Got something special. 1930 Ford Model A pickup. Absolutely bone stock. Have a really cool project here that I want you guys to join me on the journey of transforming this cool truck. This truck has a purpose. It has a reason. This is more than just a toy for somebody. There is a magnificent company that I want you guys to look up called Hooten Young. Hooten Young. It's right there on the bottom of the screen. Check that out. Behind the Hooten Young label are some amazing, amazing men. I'm talking God-loving, flag-waving, patriotic Americans that have served in this nation. As a matter of fact, if you do any digging around on the Black Hawk Down story, you'll learn a lot about Mr. Norm Hooten of Hooten Young, something that I truly support. So, I don't want to tell you too much, but this truck's going to be turned into an old school bootlegger style truck. You're going to dig it. Trust me, there's going to be a lot more updates on this. In the meantime, get a good look at it now because it's about to change up.